This is a critical zero-day alert. A VMware vulnerability is being actively exploited in the wild right now. China-linked hackers are using it to gain full root control of virtual machines. This is not a drill. This is happening. The threat is CVE-2025-41244. CISA has already added it to its known exploited vulnerability catalog. So what is it? It's a privilege escalation vulnerability in VMware tools and Aria operations. This means an attacker with local non-admin access to a VM can become root. This is the kill shot. Let's be clear. Root is God mode. It means full control. The attacker can read, write, and delete anything. The attacker, tracked as UNC 5174, just needs one low-level foothold, and this bug gives them the keys to the kingdom. Once they have root, they turn that single VM compromise into a full-blown enterprise network breach. Their goal, data exfiltration. They will steal your company's most sensitive data. Next is lateral movement. They use the compromised VM to jump to other, more critical systems on your network. Finally, they plant persistent backdoors so they can get back in whenever they want. Your network is no longer yours. This is not a suggestion. It is an order. Patch now. This is your #1 priority. Do not wait. VMware and Broadcom released the security patches last month. Your ops team must apply them immediately. If you cannot patch this second, mitigate by restricting all non-essential local access to your VMS. Monitor all logs. And if you use Aria operations, review your workflow. Consider disabling SDMP if it is not essential. This is a high-priority threat. Don't be the one who waited. Subscribe to Nexus AI for critical intelligence.